Hello there. Today's book is Freda Plans a Picnic by Stuart J. Murphy. Let's get started. Freda loved picnics. One day her mom said that she could have one right in her own backyard. Freda invited Percy, AJ, and Emma. "Can I bring Pickle?" asked Emma. "Sure," said Freda. "Pets can come to picnics." It was the morning of the picnic. "First, let's pack the baskets," said Freda's mom. She put in 4 big sandwiches, some apples, and a box of chocolate chip cookies. "Pack." "I'll put in 4 juice boxes," said Freda. "And here's a special treat for Pickle," said her mom. "Next, let's carry the basket outside." "Your friends will be here soon," said Freda's mom. "Hey, it's heavy," said Freda. "I'll give you a hand," said her mom. "Pack. Carry." When they got outside, Freda started to take food out of the basket. "Not yet," said her mom, as she spread a blanket. "We're here," shouted Percy. Pickle jumped right into the middle of the blanket. "Now we're ready," said Freda. She started to unpack the basket. Pack. Carry. Unpack. Freda lined up the juice boxes. "Look," said Emma. "There's even a treat for you, Pickle." "It's time to eat lunch," said Freda. "Yum," said AJ, as he took a big bite of his sandwich. Pack. Carry. Unpack. Eat. No, Pickle," said Emma. "That's AJ's sandwich. Your treat is over here." "Now it's time for dessert," said Freda. They crunched their apples and gobbled up the chocolate chip cookies. They slurped from their juice boxes until their straws made funny noises. "Percy," called Emma. "Stop chasing Pickle. He's getting all dirty." Just then, Freda's mom came back outside. "It's time to clean up," she said. "Ah," said Freda. "We're having so much fun." "If you'd all work together," said her mom, "there's one last thing you can do." Everyone helped clean up. Even Pickle. "We're done," said Freda. "Now what's the one last thing?" Pack. Carry. Unpack. Eat. Clean up. "Pickle needs a cleanup too," said Freda's mom. Pack. Carry. Unpack. Eat. Clean up. A closer look. Number 1, how would you plan a picnic? Number 2, look at the pictures. What did Freda do first? Next, after that. Number 3, what did Freda and her friends do together? Number 4, which part of the picnic did you like best? Why? Number 5, pretend you are having a picnic. What would you do first? Next, after that? And that's the end of the story. If you haven't done so already, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.